Imagine a world where feelings aren't a natural response but a programmed command. In this realm, happiness isn't a spontaneous burst of joy, but a line of code. Anguish isn't a response to loss, but a simple software bug. This is a place where a lonely coder named Nishi plies her trade, programming emotions for the inhabitants of this world. Nishi, an introverted genius, spends her days and nights in the quiet solitude of her workspace, surrounded by screens filled with strings of code. Only companions, lines of code that she meticulously manipulates to instigate emotional responses. She was content with her existence, a master of her craft, creating and controlling emotions at the stroke of a key. One day, while delving into the mysteries of an ancient server, Nishi uncovers a long-forgotten algorithm, a relic of a bygone era. It was created to encode the most complex human emotion, love. Fascinated by this find, she decides to unleash this algorithm, not entirely understanding the implications of her actions. As the algorithm starts to run, it begins to alter the code of emotions in ways Nishi hadn't anticipated. It starts to weave a complex web of feelings, intertwining the lives of the inhabitants in a dance of love and chaos. People who had never interacted before suddenly find themselves irresistibly drawn to each other. Apathy gives way to passion, indifference turns into infatuation. Amidst this chaos, Nishi finds herself at the epicenter of it all. The algorithm, in its own peculiar way, begins to influence her too. She, the solitary coder, finds herself experiencing the intoxicating power of love. At first, she tries to resist, to rewrite the algorithm, but the code of love proves to be too overwhelming. In the end, she finds herself standing at a crossroads. Will she choose to embrace the chaos of love, or will she attempt to regain control of the world she once ruled? The choice is hers, and hers alone. But whatever she decides, it's clear that the world as she knows it has changed forever. As the algorithm continues to run, as love continues to bloom in the most unexpected places, the question remains, what will Nishi choose? Will she become a part of her own creation, or will she fight to restore the old order? The world waits, caught between love and chaos, waiting for the coder's next move.